Brian from Straightline Detailing. Today what I'm going to show you is how to apply polishing compound to a paint job that's already been cut, so we don't have to get out any soil marks or anything like that. What we're going to do is just put on a final piece of the puzzle, which is to bring up the shine in this Oxford blue paint. Now this isn't a metallic colour, so we've got plenty of depth in there. The clear is already made inside it. And the items that we're going to use is Liquid Ice Step 2 OEM polishing compound. This has a really high gloss factor, so we've got that one there we're going to use. The pad that we're going to use is a 6-inch finishing pad. It's super soft, and I'm going to use it on a random DA polisher. And to wipe away the residue, we're going to use a Norton Blue Magnet high performance cloth. This is a microfiber cloth, and it picks up all the little particles that are in there without scratching your paint. So what I'll do is put these down on the side there, and we have a pad that's already been conditioned. Now when I say conditioned, as you can see, it's already got blue in there, which is the paint residue that's come off in the polish. So I've already done part of the car, so I'm now moving on to the boot area. So we've got our microfiber cloth here. This has been washed numerous times. It's very, very soft, so we're able to use it over and over again. So don't throw these out. So we just put that all to the side. Now, with the liquid ice, we don't need a lot on there. Okay, this pad already is full of polish in there. So we just need a few pea-size dabs on there. That's all you need. So you won't want to put any more than that on. So to avoid it slinging when we turn it on, what we do is just dab it down across the car. Now, we'll put it on 2 on the random DA. This is just to spread it over and without slinging it all over the rest of the car. So just going to spread it in. Okay, so now on mine, when I use my random DA, I have it on just under 4, so it's quite a high speed without being too ridiculously fast. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in a straight line pattern, and then I'm going to crisscross. So don't go too fast. This is really safe to use these polishes here because they don't get stuck in the same position like a normal rotary will. So a normal rotary one, even on a polishing pad, you can still actually burn the paint. So just avoid edges if you don't have a random DA and if you're using a rotary. But with these, you can actually sit it on the edge and not burn it, because it won't, all it will do is vibrate, it won't continue to force itself around. So here we go, it's going to get a little bit loud. You don't want to go too quickly, you don't want to go too slow. You don't have to apply a lot of pressure. Remembering, this is just a finishing process. And there's not much pressure on the pad at all. You can see I'm using it very lightly. Just put that to the side there. That pad has probably done around about 15 hours work on it so far, so it's starting to get towards the end of its life cycle, so which is quite a lot for a pad. So what we're doing now, just wiping Always wipe in straight lines as well, just in case you do get any grit underneath it. Don't use swirls, okay? So we just wipe that over, and that there reveals perfect finish. So what we'll do after this, once we've done the whole car, we'll then wipe it over with a alcohol product that cleans off all of the products that we've been using. We're then going to wax it, and then for an extra shine, we'll use Norton's Liquid Ice detailing spray.